Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the types of operators available in the C programming. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. What are the types of operator available in the C programming? First operator is the arithmetic operator used for addition subtraction. Right? So this is the operator, the meaning for the operator. Let us take two variables a and b. A value is 14 and b value is 4. The first operator, arithmetic operator, is plus. It is addition. It will add two variable. A plus b mean it will add two variable. 14 plus 4, 18. Subtraction. It will subtract the two variable. A minus b means b is subtracted from a. 14 minus 4, 10. Multiplication. It will multiply the two variable a into b. 14 into 4, 56. Then division. A divided by b. 14 divided by 4, 3. It will return only the quotient. It will not give the remainder value. Quotient only return. 14 by 4 mean in 14 4 goes 3 times. The remainder we have to use the next operator, percentage. Modulo division. A percentage b means a 14 percentage 4, it will give 2. That is 14 by 4 goes 3 times. 4 into 3, 12. So 14 minus 12, 2 is the remainder value. Right? So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, in that it will give the quotient value. Percentage will give the after remainder. After division it will give the remainder value. Now we will go to the next operator. The next operator is relational operator. Less than and greater than. That is the relation between the two variables. Less than. This is used for less than. Whether it will check the variable is lesser. Less than or equal. Whether it will check less than or it is equal to that variable. Similarly, greater than or equal. Then double equal means it will check whether both the variables are equal. Single equal is the assignment operator. It will assign the value. Equal is the assignment operator, whether it will assign the value. Double equal is used for whether both the variables are equal, it will check. Then not equal, it will check both are not equal. This is opposite to that. It will check both are equal, this will check both are not equal. The next operator is the logical operator. We know that logical gates available, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So this is the logical AND operator, double time is there. Otherwise it is a single is mean is a bitwise operator. We know that AND operator mean both the inputs are high, then only it will return the high value. Then this is used for OR operator, logical OR. OR, what is the nature of the OR operator, OR gate? If any one variable is high, the output will be high. It is like a addition. AND operator is like a multiplication. Then not is nothing but a NOT gate. Not operator. It is nothing but it will invert. 0 means it will give 1, 1 means it will give 0. This is the nature of the NOT gate. So the next one is the assignment operator. Assignment operator used to assign the result of an expression to the variable. X equal to 5 mean the 5 will be stored in the variable x. X is the variable, 5 is the value. The 5 will be stored in the variable x. We already discussed double equal. Double equal means you will check both are equal. It will not assign the value. Single equal means it will assign the value to the variable. Then we have increment operator and decrement operator. Plus plus and minus minus. Plus plus is the increment operator. Minus minus is the decrement operator. Right. Plus plus m. What is the meaning? M equal to m plus 1. The m is the variable. Plus plus m means with that variable 1 will be added. Minus minus m means m equal to m minus 1. 1 will be subtracted. So increment mean 1 will be added. Decrement mean 1 will be subtracted. In that there are two types available. Pre-increment and post-increment. Let us take m equal to 5. Y equal to plus plus m. What is the meaning? Y equal to 6. We will get 6 because first plus plus m. First increment will be done. Pre-increment. M equal to 5. Plus plus m mean it will become 6. Then 6 is stored in the variable y. So m also become y, y also 6. M also becomes 6, y also 6. Right? first incremented, then incremented value is stored in the variable y. That's called pre-increment. Post increment, same value take m equal to 5, y equal to m plus plus, right? Is a post increment. So m will be stored in the variable y. What is the value of m? 5. So 5 will be stored in y. After storing, it become incremented. M is incremented. So 5 plus 1, 6, right? So this is the value in the both the cases, m equal to 6 only. But here y equal to 6. After increment, the value is stored. Here this value is stored, after that incremented, is the value is incremented. So that m equal to 6 in both the cases, but y equal to 6 because of pre-increment. Here y equal to 5. After assigning, the value is incremented. Then we'll go to the next one, conditional operator. The conditional operator is question mark colon. So there is nothing but expression 1 question mark, expression 2 question mark, expression 3. What is the meaning for that? This expression 1 is nothing but a condition. It will check one condition. After that question mark is there. If the condition is true, expression 2 will be executed. If the condition is false, the expression 3 will be executed. Right? That is for a conditional operator. So expression 1 is condition. If this condition is true, expression 2 will be executed. Otherwise, expression 3 will be executed. Let us take a equal to 5, and b equal to 15. Right? So x is the another variable. Take two variable, a equal to 10, b equal to 15. X equal to a greater than b. We are checking one condition, whether a is greater than b. If it is a is greater, means we need to store a as a x value. If it is false, b is stored as a x value. That is the greatest value we are going to store. Here a equal to 15 and b equal to a equal to 10 and b equal to 15. Right? So this condition is false, because a is lesser, b is greater. So b will be stored in the value x. B is nothing but 15. That is the aim of this expression is greatest value is stored in the variable x. So b 15 will be stored in this. It is very similar to if x equal to if a is greater than b, x equal to a. That is a is greater mean a will be stored in the variable x. Else x equal to b. Right? B will be stored. Right? So a is greater means a will be stored, otherwise b will be stored. So this if else condition is given in a single statement as a conditional operator, question mark colon. Here it is given in another format, x equal to 10 greater than 15. 10 is a, 15 is b. Then 10 colon 15. So this condition is false, so 15 will be stored. If the condition is true, mean 10 will be stored in the variable. Now we'll go to the next operator. So the next operator is a bitwise operator. Already we see logical operator. Logical operator means it will check the entire value. Bitwise operator means bit by bit it will check. So first one is AND, bitwise AND. Right? We know that AND operator is like a multiplication. If both the inputs are high, then only we will get the high output. Then bitwise OR operator. What is the nature of OR operator? If any one of the input is high, then we will get the output as high. It is like a addition. Then bitwise exclusive OR. Right? This power mark is nothing but exclusive OR. Then shift left. It will go the one bit by bit. It will shift the position left side. This is greater than symbol. This is less than symbol. Greater than symbol means shift right. The bitwise bit by bit it will shift the position in the right side. Right? Then next one is the special operators. The last one is the special operators. So comma operator. First one is in that comma operator, used to link the related expression together. Suppose two variables are there, mean a comma b. That means a is the one variable, b is the another variable. Then size of. So it is a compiler time operator, and when it is used an operand, it will return the number of bytes the operand occupies. So it will give the size of that variable. M equal to size of sum means what is the bit occupied by the sum will be stored in the M, right? So the special operator we have comma operator in order to segregate a comma b comma c means a is one variable, b is another variable, c is another variable. The size of mean the size of operator in terms of bytes are written by this size of operator. So in this video we discuss about the various types of operators available in the C program. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.